So what I want my partner to do is have a bit of stiffness on his fingers. So as he grips into my body with his fingers and I feel his hand strength, I want to touch his elbow and pull his fingers onto my body and create a grip in this direction. So as soon as I pull him onto the body, now his center starts rising towards that strength, and I use the other hand just to come underneath my partner and go into roll back. So I'm going to hold my partner on me just a little bit on that initial touch. His center moves off his hip up to this point here, and we have the roll back energy. And what's stimulating that is strength on the hand. If he's got strength on the hand, I'll take his center from here and I'll just pull it onto the hand, touch, roll back. And this brings the center up. Once you've got the roll back, you can go into any energy you want once you've pulled them out of that center. So any stiffness on the hand, amplify it by just tucking their elbow, push more force in, their center rises, use rotational circle to pick the balance up and give them a bounce. Okay, let's have a play. Thank you.